This is a car hood. Car hood protects the engine from external elements, provides access for maintenance, improve aerodynamics, and contributes to the vehicle's overall design and safety.
Go.
This is a car swiper. A main function of car swiper is to keep the windshield clear of the obstruction like rain, snow, dirt, and debris to ensure the driver has a clear view of the road.
Go.
This is a side mirror. Main function of side mirror is to help the driver see areas to the side and behind the vehicle.
Go.
This is a wheel. The main function of car wheel is to provide a rolling platform that allows the vehicle to move by transferring the engine power to the road and supporting the vehicle's weight.
Go.
This is a steering wheel. Primary function is to let the driver control the car direction by turning the front wheels.
Go.
This is a rear view mirror. It's to provide the driver with a view of the area behind the vehicle, enhancing safety and aiding in maneuvers like parking and lane changes.
Go.
This is a gear shift to transfer the engine's power to the wheels by selecting different gear ratio.